Hi, welcome to your Montessori quote for today, Thursday, 16th January 2025. Our quote for today is from Maria Montessoris' 1946 London Lectures, page 140. It says, adults must defend children. We adults must see the real humanity in children, the humanity which will take our place one day. If we are to have a social progress means that the next generation is better than the one before. Again, adults must defend children. We adults must see the real humanity in children, the humanity which will take our place one day if we are to have social progress. Social progress means that the next generation is better than the one before. The above quote started by telling us the adult's necessary responsibility, which is defending children. What does it mean to defend children? Defending children means protecting them from harm. Defending children means protecting them from wrongdoing. Defending children means protecting them from physical and mental punishment. Defending children means not denying them their right to education. The quote also points us to the core of our sight, which is to see the real humanity in children. This means that if we are thinking of changing humanity, we must start with children. This also gives us the beam of hope, which is hope in the child. The quote also calls our attention to the future. It causes social progress, and it says that the only proof of our work today is that the next generation is better than ours. That is social progress. Adults who care so much about extending brotherhood, about extending humanity, will today focus on and enable the child today. Doing this, we will have done something worthwhile to further progress, which is a better generation. Our activity for today is from the practical life learning area of Montessori, transferring with the fingers. The children. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to follow, like, comment and share this video. See you again tomorrow for another learning journey with Mr. John. Bye bye.